Yeah, hello guys. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So yeah, happy Sunday to each and every one of you. Israel the trader speaking right here, and thank you very much for checking on us today. So in today's video, we are going to do analysis on Euro USD, and I will tell you what exactly is going to happen with Euro USD this week coming, right? So of course, this is a Euro USD chart right now, guys. And before we start or before we go ahead, let me bring you to today's sponsor of the video, which is Trader Central, right? So just go to tradercentral.com and check what exactly Trader Central has to offer for you, right? And what Trader Central does is they fund retail traders. So they are funding ecosystem, right? So they fund retail traders that are kind of in need of fund to trade in the forex market. So if funding is your problem or if funding is a challenge, Trader Central is here for you. You can either go for the instant account, the challenge account, and the monthly payment account. So this is the Trader Central website. Whenever time you go to this homepage, right? And of course, if you want to go with 30% discount, link is in the description. Use my link and they will give you 30% discount on each purchase you are purchasing on this particular account, be it challenge, be it instant, or be it monthly payment, right? So it depends on the plan that is suitable for you. So go check them out. They are very good, and I highly recommend it for you guys. I personally am using it, so you can use it as well, right? So let's go back down to today's video, which is Euro USD analysis, right? That's why you are here, or that's why you click on this particular video. So this is Euro USD right now, daily time frame. So we will start by plotting our major support and resistance levels, right? That's how it works. So let me put my major support and resistance level. As you guys can see, I'm plotting them on the daily time frame right now. So these are the major ones. So, and at maximum of 5 support and resistance, but right now I can only spot about 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 major support and resistance on Euro USD, right? So the next thing that I'm seeing here is I can plot my trend line. So my trend line is going to be something like this on this daily time frame, right? Because you guys can see and you can tell which market structure is this. This is a downtrending market on the daily time frame, right? I remember this is one of our major support, major resistance level. Let me mark it out for you guys. This is one of the major resistance zone, right? So, but when we go down to the smaller time frame, we try to figure this out in order for us to know what exactly is going to happen in the first market, or whatever exactly is going to happen on Euro USD. It is very, very important for us to know, right? So let's go back down to the 4-hour time frame so that we can just check out what is happening on the 4-hour time frame, guys, right? So right now this is the 4-hour time frame, and of course, by mere looking, you should be able to tell me whatever that is happening on the 4-hour time frame right now. So you can see, remember, we plotted this support and resistance on the daily time frame, yeah? So, but this is our major resistance level, and this is our trend line on the daily time frame, yeah? So I'm seeing another potential support and resistance levels here on this 4-hour time frame. So I'll put them, and also I'll put something like this. Yep, this is another support and resistance structure. So now we are done with that, guys. So there's another level here as well, but this is another potential level. But when we go down to the smaller time frame, we're going to figure that out, right? But don't forget, keep in mind that these are our major resistance levels and this is our daily trend line. So let's go down to the 1-hour time frame and see whatever that is going to happen. Okay, this is 1-hour time frame, guys. So what are we seeing on the 4-hour time frame? I'm seeing that the market has created what we refer as a trend, uptrending market. This is our 1-hour time frame trend line right now. So you guys can see, yeah, this is the 1-hour time frame trend line. So before you consider this as the market is going to go down to the downside, we have to know where the market is going to reverse to the downside and things like that. So we are going to just focus on this structure, right? We're going to just focus on this structure, and keep in mind, guys, that we plotted these levels or some of these levels on the daily time frame, right? And of course, this is our 4-hour time frame level. These are 4-hour time frame level, but this is our 1-hour time frame trend line. So there are some things that we have to put into consideration here, guys. You guys can see that the market is approaching the resistance level, right? So this is what is going to happen. We have to wait for the market to reach this level. Then right where I say that is going to reach, which is here, we have to look out for some sort of candlestick pattern or reversal candlestick patterns in order for us to get into the market and ride it all the way to the downside, right? But there are some scenario that is going to happen here, guys, before it's going to go down to the downsides, because it's not just good for you to like, okay, Israel say that the market is going to sell and things like that, then you execute a trade and sell it right away. It is not good for you to do that. It is good for you to do your analysis and check what exactly is going to happen and things like that as well. Make sure you do your fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentimental analysis, right? Because right now we are just checking the technical analysis on EURUSD. So it is very important for us to know what exactly is going to happen on this particular pair, right? Of course, we'll check fundamentals if time permits us, but let's see what is going to happen, or let's see what I'm thinking on EURUSD. So I'm thinking that EURUSD is going to do something like this, guy. Then boom. So we are going to sell it right here, meaning that this is going to be our another resistance area. So this is going to be our left shoulder, this is going to be the head, and this is going to be the right shoulder. So at ending point of this right shoulder, before the move starts to happen to the downside, that's where we'll look out for some sort of a sell in the market and ride it all the way to the downside, right? Because remember, this is our major resistance level on the daily time frame, and this is our trend line on the daily time frame. So this is just for this is 1-hour time frame trend line. So definitely, guys, we will see what is going to happen right here in on EURUSD. So of course, that's my perspective on EURUSD. And before you get into this market, guys, make sure you go down to the smaller time frame, being 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, before you execute your trade. It is very, very important. Yeah. And of course, if you want to see my live trade, my live entry point and stop loss, take profit, and things like that, of course, you have to join our free Telegram channel. Link is in the description of this video. Just check them out, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page, and stuff like that, guys. Just, let's just be connected, and so that you can just learn how to be a profitable trader like some of us are profitable, right? So it is very, very important for you to know all these kind of things that I'm telling you, so that you just keep note of them. So that's my opinion on what is going to happen on EURUSD, guys. So just check it out, and that's it. Once more again, I'm Israel the Trader, and I'm signing out right now. So thank you very much for watching on this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and family. It is very, very important. That's how you can support this channel, guys. Once more again, thank you very much. I will see you in our next video.